Learn top 5 amazing Windows shortcut keys. And the very first key is to press the Windows key right here and with tab. The moment we press Windows and tab together, you will see all the windows, whichever is opened, will be shown right here. So you can see all the windows, and you can also see the desktops. Like if you have two monitors, you can see that as well, and you can switch to that as well. That's the best part. Now the second is Windows and H key. So here the Windows key is there, and then we need to press the H key together. The moment we press Windows and H, it will open up the speech recognition for you. And let's say if you want to type it somewhere, now it will start typing right here, and you can type it anywhere in the notepad, in the WordPad, in the Microsoft Word, Excel. You can type anywhere you want, right? So this is for the speech. And the third one is Windows key and the semicolon right here. So I'll press Windows and semicolon. This will open up the emojis for you, and you can use all these emojis. The fourth one is Windows and E. So window key right here and E key, when pressed together, it will open up the file explorer for you. So this is the fourth one, and very handy, because when you want to open the file explorer, you just have to press window E and it will open up for you. The last one is whether you can press the window key with D, it will show you the desktop. No matter how many windows you have opened, it will open up the desktop for you. Same thing goes with Windows M as well. The moment you press Windows and M, it will do the same. So Windows D and Windows M, both will do the same. It will minimize the windows and let you on the desktop. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section whether you know all these commands or not. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.